Hi guys, welcome to the vlogs. This is the daytime before night shift. This is me laying in my bed when I wake up, changed into some outfits, went to the kitchen to clean up and make some food. So I made oats. I really like my oats with sugar and milk with no fruits. I'm here to try that one. I went inside to eat and I brought the thing back to the kitchen. Went to take my bath. I went to the kitchen to make pancakes, so I whisked one egg, added sugar, added a little bit of vanilla. Then I added my flour to it. Then I whisked, forgetting my milk, but I later on added the milk into it, added a little bit of water. Then I placed my frying pan on the fire. I used butter to fry this pancake. So I got about 8 of these ones. After this, I dressed up for a meeting at work. There we had the meeting. Bye guys, see you in my next one.